Hello friends, welcome to HTML tutorial series. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we can embed an image to a web page. To embed an image, an audio or a video or any file, we can use embed tag. Embed tag you can think like a universal tag. It is used to embed almost any files to your web page. Anything you can add. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we can embed an image to a web page. So let's get started. I go to start, click on run button, then I say here notepad. I create the HTML page, HTML, closing HTML, HEAD head, closing head, body, closing body. In between the head section I am going to create title, closing title. Here I am going to say home page, file, save as. I say here the name as default default.html. Save it at desktop. I double click on default.html to open it in browser. So you can see that title is home page. To embed an image, we have two ways. Either I can use the img tag that we discussed in the previous tutorial. So I can write less than img, then I should mention the source file name, that is picture.jpg that I have at the desktop. If I write like this, file, save, go to browser, refresh, you can see that image is added to the web page. We know that img tag is an unpaid tag and it is an inline tag. If I copy and paste once again, file, save, one more image is added just in front of this, right? This is how you can add an image by using the img tag. If you want, you can set the width, height, border, so many things you can perform with the img tag. Let's say here file, save, go to browser, refresh. I have one image added. If I want, I can change the width. Width is equal to 400 pixels. HEIGST height is equal to 433 pixels. If I say like that, file, save, go to browser, refresh, you can see that width and height increased. If I want, I can set the border also. Border equal to how many pixels? Maybe 2 pixels. If I say file, save, go to browser, refresh, you can see that the border is added to the image. Similarly, the same operation I can perform by using the embed tag also. File, save, go to browser, refresh, nothing is available. Let's begin with the embed tag. Embed tag is also unpaid tag, so I use less than sign. I say embed, embed, / greater than sign, file, save, go to browser, refresh, nothing we have embedded at present. Embed tag is an unpaid tag. You can see that I have used both opening and closing tag in the same tag. The next attribute we have to give is source file that you want to embed, src. Here I am going to write the image name. The image name I am going to give is picture.jpg. You can give here any file name. At present I have given the image name. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Check that out. The image is embedded to the page. You can see that image is added to the page. You can use the embed tag also to add an image to a web page. If you want to set the width, you can set the width. Width is equal to 400. Height also you can set. Height is equal to 433 pixels. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that image width and height increased. If you want, you can apply the border also. Border equal to 2 pixels. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that the border is added to the image. Very nice, right? Let's go back and I say here file, save, go to browser, refresh. Now embed tag is a inline tag. It won't take complete width of its parent. If I add one more image by using the embed tag, this image is going to be added to the browser just in front of the previous image. The image that we are adding here is not going to be moved to the next line. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that one more image got added just in front of the previous image or just beside of our previous image. This is how you can use the embed tag to embed an image. For this tutorial, this much is enough, guys. Hope you guys have understood how do you embed an image by using the embed tag. For more benefits, please subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next tutorial. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing.